Alright, boys, back-to-back videos. Let me. Back-to-back videos. I'm having surgery tomorrow, so this is pre-recorded. Now, this video is about my thoughts on crypto, what I've been doing with crypto recently. Again, to preface all this off, I'm not a financial advisor. If my prediction is wrong, feel free to clip me, put me on Twitter. The title is also clickbait. I'm probably going to put some like crypto is dead or something. Crypto is not dead. That is not what I mean. I do think long-term holding crypto is not the move, especially where we are right now. It's, I just think that there's way more ways to capitalize nowadays. And I've slowly gotten out of this. I've slowly shifted my positions in smaller cryptos like XRP, Ethereum, Solana, taking a little bit of profits, a little bit of loss on some, profits on some, basically break even on my positions, and I'm moving it out. I don't see crypto going any higher. I don't see XRP really booming in the next year. I don't see Solana booming in the next year. I don't see Ethereum blooming in the next year. I think that we're going to see slow growth on Bitcoin. If anything, crypto is being more controlled and it's harder to chase big returns, especially at the price points that Ethereum are, Solana are, XRP are, especially Ethereum. Ethereum's at $3,000. Even if you put $3,000 today, I guarantee you, maybe in like 2 to 3 years, it'll hit 6,000. Ethereum's never gonna go to like 20, 30, 40K. If it does, I'm a complete idiot. Maybe I'm seeing something that y'all, or maybe y'all are seeing something that I am in. And if I'm not, you just let me know in the comments. But I don't have any conviction on crypto anymore. I'm a holder for a year or years on years, maybe 2 to 3 years, right? While I have seen growth and I have taken my profits, this last year has been very, very slow for crypto. Slow to the point where I'm being break even on my positions and I don't like it anymore. I want to go into stocks and I would again I'm not a financial advisor, but I would advise y'all to do so as well. And I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. The news that I'm seeing is just downwards toward crypto. The Federal Reserve is putting out new regulations to regulate crypto. And on top of it, it's just not like an asset that I want to hold. Like, I don't want to hold crypto and like constantly be checking like, holy fuck, Ethereum's down like 20% today. What am I gonna do? When I could put it in like a stock or like VOO or like the S&P 500, and I don't have to worry about things like that. Especially when you're putting more and more money into these positions, it becomes more of like more stress on you than if I'm holding a stock that I know will perform in the next 5 years. Like, I know Ethereum does all this stuff where it makes transactions easier, but like genuinely, like, what do they actually do other than just like making transactions easier? Uh, like, I can't think so. I know Bitcoin is an asset. Obviously, Bitcoin's not gonna go anywhere. But Ethereum, Solana, XRP, I don't want to like just sit here and be like fucking like going psycho over this shit. And I just don't think that it's worth it in my eyes. If y'all think it's worth it, then y'all let me know. Now here's what I'm seeing. First, I'm gonna start with Bitcoin and why I hold Bitcoin. To this day, Bitcoin is still 20% of my portfolio for good reason. I see a lot of long term growth just because they're no longer making any more. Let me turn off my fair value gap indicator, right? We'll look at the yearly chart to start it off. Now, obviously, we saw a massive return in 2024. 2025, we saw a little bit of a uptrend to 125K, and now we're back at 84K. That doesn't really matter to me. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I do think we'll see it hitting 200, 300K once. Now, here's the thing. November 2024, we're still in that range. And it's not like we're like filling like a fair value gap or something, right? You can't predict crypto with fair value gaps. It's more of I don't know why gold is here. But I don't see like genuinely I don't know, bro. Bitcoin is the one that I see maybe taking out lows at 70K and then us reverse, which is fine with me. I'm gonna be DCAing Bitcoin all the way. Like I'm full in on Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I like they're no longer making any more. Everyone wants to own a Bitcoin. Transactions on Bitcoin, you see uh like people wearing Bitcoin shirts everywhere. Like that to me is super super cool, right? Like you could buy Bitcoin on like Cash Apps. You could like do all sorts of things with Bitcoin. Like to me, Bitcoin is like it's going, right? Like I'm always gonna own some BTC, no matter what it is. I do see it going up just because it's such a scarce resource, and now that it's controlled, I do see like people sort of wanting to hold Bitcoin. On the weekly time frame, we could see that we're just playing in this range that I don't really like. I don't like it. Like honestly, bro, like it's a little just kind of crazy to me. But then again, I mean, I don't know what to say other than the fact that it's just like up and down. I'm holding Bitcoin. I'm long term in Bitcoin. It's fine with me. Ethereum, I see like this is straight bullshit in my head. It's the same as this pattern, I guess. You could say that we're gonna come all the way down here and then go back up. Obviously, if Ethereum gets to this like $1,000 zone, I'm gonna be buying Ethereum again. But genuinely, like I just can't see, like I can't bring myself to buy Ethereum right now or even hold Ethereum just because I know that it's gonna go down. Like there's so many problems. Like okay, the problem with crypto is too like it's too dependent on the stock market. If the stock market crashes one times, this will crash like three times. If your favorite stock is down 2%, Ethereum will be down 6%. If your favorite stock bleeds and is down 5%, Ethereum will be down 15% in one day. I can't bring myself to hold something like that. Same thing with Solana, right? Let me get rid of all this, right? First of all, like this price low right here is something that I really want to see get taken out. This $95 price low. That to me will be beautiful, right? I could see myself trading this, but like to me it's just a little bit I don't know, man. I mean for now I don't think Solana is something to hold. Maybe I could see myself trading it for like a 3 month period if we do end up sweeping this $100 low. Sweep in, buy in, sell it $200. But like, is it really worth it? Like, I'm gonna put 3 to 4% of my portfolio in. Do I really like want to risk all that just to like And no one's going all in on crypto. If you go all in on crypto, you're a complete idiot. But like, even XRP, like this XRP to me, the only reason that it blew up in 2024. Now it's dead. In my opinion, XRP is completely dead. I don't think I'm ever gonna own XRP again. And honestly, this might be one of those clips that go very, very well, very viral in like when XRP is like $5. But I don't care, bro. I'm not holding this shit with like 5% of my portfolio, just like praying that it goes up. That's so stupid. Same with Solana. Solana, I mean, I know a lot of people who trade these ranges, these monthly ranges, where if it like takes out like a price point in liquidity, dips below 100, dips below 150, they buy and sell it at 300. That's fine to me. Same with Ethereum, right? If we get a dip into the thousands, I could see myself selling at 2,000. But I'm not doing that with XRP. It's just too risky. I just don't know if it's worth it. I think commodities are safer nowadays. I mean, gold, like literally a few months ago, I said on this YouTube channel that gold is gonna blow up just because it's so much more safer. It's never gonna lose its value. Solana, on the other hand, like just I mean, we could read the news. Look at this shit. It's literally bleeding. On a yearly basis, it's down 48%. I'm looking in the right corner right here. 3 months is down 36%. 6 months is down 27%. Ethereum, same thing, all red. Bitcoin, I don't think it's all red. I think it should be. Oh, damn, it is all red. So, I mean, Bitcoin is red. I'm DCAing Bitcoin. It's Solana, like, it's fucking bleeding, bro. It's cutting through my portfolio, and, like, everything is saying a strong sell. Strong sell. Ethereum, strong sell. This is bullshit. Buy Bitcoin. But the rest of them, bro, I just don't know, bro. And you just literally, if you put your money in the beginning of 2024, if you put your money in like into the S&P 500, you'd have made more money. But I don't know. I just don't see myself buying it anymore. I don't really have a reason, just other than the fact that it's too volatile. But I mean, I don't know, man. I just don't like it, bro. It just fucking just moves too much, bro. I appreciate y'all. I mean, I don't know what to say, what to send the video. This shit just pissing me off just looking at it. And I'm like low key mad that I held it for this long. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all boys have a good one.